Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Case Theory. This is Ash and today we are reviewing a special limited edition robot skin from a company called dBrand, which I'm sure many of you have heard of, as well as their signature dBrand grip case. dBrand is known for their quality vinyl skins that protects your devices from scratches and at the same time gives a unique look without compromising the size and bulk of your phone. So what makes this case so special is that it is a limited edition print which went on sale for only 2 weeks. If you have bought dBrand skins in the past, you will notice the robot design artwork printed on the cover of their envelopes. Apparently, a lot of their customers were asking for dBrand to release a design inspired by that artwork, and they did just that. For this limited edition drop, you can choose to get either just the skin or the skin with their grip case, which is the one I went for. I'm always constantly switching cases and I wasn't ready to wrap my midnight green iPhone. Hence, installing the vinyl skin on the grip case means I can always swap back to my clear cases anytime. Alright, let's get right to it. So what we have here is the packaging with the case itself and also the vinyl skin which comes separately. My first impression of the packaging is that it looks super cool and premium. It made me feel excited to open and explore what's in it. Inside the box, you will find the grip case and a note that provides the link to the installation video on their website. Taking a look at the case first, the rubber case feels really solid and sturdy even though it's just 2 mm thick. Underneath the case, there is a layer of velvet-like material to provide additional scratch protection for the back of the phone just in case if any sand or dust particle gets in. They also imprinted their dBrand logo here, which looks really cool, I think. Okay, let's put on the case. The case does a brilliant job at covering all 4 sides of the phone. I also love that they added a rigid texture on the power button, making it more tactile and easy to reach. The cutout for the lightning port is wide enough to fit most of the third-party cables. For those who like precise cutouts, this might bother you as the speaker opening is symmetrical as opposed to the design of the speakers on the iPhone 11 Pro, which are asymmetrical. The reason why this case is called the grip? Well, because it's grippy. They have added these bump strips along both sides of the case, which improves the grip when holding onto the phone. It is a very subtle yet clever design. Another unique feature of this case is your trademark crescent arc design. If you look closely from the side, you will notice that the arc design lowers the raised edges on the center of the phone. As you know, the newer iOS uses a lot of gestures like swiping from left to go back to the previous menu or swiping right for multitasking. Hence, the idea behind this design is to give you more accessibility and better feel when navigating through your phone. The crescent arc also gives you the lay on table design, meaning if you place your iPhone face down, the screen will not come in contact with the surface beneath it. Moving on to the back of the case, the edges surrounding the camera cutout is also slightly raised, giving some protection for the triple lens camera. As you can see here, there is just the grip branding printed on this otherwise minimal and plain matte finishing. Now, you can use the case as it is. It still looks clean and sleek. But what makes this case stand out from other grippy cases is that you can customize the back of your phone by installing one of many 3M skins from dBrand's website. So now let's take a look at this limited edition robot skin. Inside this envelope, there's the skin itself, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and also a link to their installation video. As I've chosen to get the skin with the grip case, they have provided the version that only covers the back of the case. However, if you choose to get the skin only, I believe they will provide the other version that wraps the size of the phone as well. I'll skip the installation video as I'm sure dBrand's installation guide is sufficiently detailed. Right, installation is a breeze. It took me less than 5 minutes to get proper alignment and to smooth out the edges. Now, each and every dBrand robot skin is a small piece of a larger whole. This means that every skin is truly unique. The robot skin has an ultra matte texture which according to dBrand can repel hand oil, adds grip and is soft to touch. I do agree with them as this feels nice and not slippery. Taking a closer look at the artwork, I like the black on white design. Some of the robots in the collage does look like the characters from Transformers. I also like the tiny details like this robot over here counting stacks of cash while being guarded by another robot holding a weapon, and this robot over here with a chest full of human skulls. dBrand calls themselves a company that's run by robots, and I think this is a good tribute for those who have been a fan of dBrand's products. So now let's break it down in TCT's case score. In terms of design, I'll give the grip and the robot skin a 4/5. The case is thin yet sturdy. I also love the added grip thanks to the bump strips on the side of the case, and I also like that the case is customizable. you can always swap the back for another skin and your case will look new again. In terms of protection, I'll give it 5/5. I like that all 4 sides of the phone is covered and it has military-grade impact protection. I also like the crescent arc design, which protects the screen of the phone when placing it face down. Finally, in terms of price, I'll give it 3/5. The grip case plus robot skin combo costs $44.90 USD, $14.95 for the skin and $29.95 for the case. A normal dBrand skin costs $12.95. Paying additional $2 sounds fairly reasonable to me since it's a limited edition print. However, I feel there are cheaper options if you're looking for a grippy case, like those from Smartish, which we will be reviewing soon. You are probably paying more because of its customizable feature. Overall, the grip plus robot skin from dBrand gets a recommended score of 4/5. You can still get a grip case, but at the time of this video, the robot skin is no longer available. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. We have recently rebranded this channel to the Case Theory, where we will be reviewing mostly iPhone cases and accessories, so consider subscribing if you are on the lookout for your next iPhone case. You should also hit the little bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Do leave a comment down below on your thoughts about dBrand's robot skin and let us know which case you want us to review next. Thank you everyone for watching and I'll see you in the next one.